everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video for KSCRAFT December 2025 release. Thank you KSCRAFT for sending me these metal dies. You can find these metal die sets at KSCRAFT Amazon or KSCRAFT Aliexpress. I will put all the links in the description box below. Let's get started. First up we have this heart cakes, and so this whole release is based on Valentine's Day. So these heart cakes have two sizes. There's a small size and a large size, and I love these heart cakes because it has this cream border on it, as well as these cherries and also this ribbon with the word cutie on it. And I just think this is gonna turn out really adorable. I just love this die set. And here we have the 2026 Valentine words. And there's 5 sayings here, and those are kiss me, you and me, heartthrob, hey sweetie, and hugs and kisses. It includes the background border here, as well as the words here, and I just love the sizing of these phrases. And here we have a vintage heart cutting die, and it's like a vintage heart with a little bow on its head, and it has a really cute vintage face on it with some hands and legs. So I'm just like super duper excited about this whole entire release. I'm like super excited. It's just really wonderful. I love the whole theme of this Valentine's release. And then we have here are the cherry bag toppers. This cherry bag topper is super duper pretty. It has a ribbon and then 2 cherries hanging off of the ribbon. And this is a bag topper. I just thought this was like really great. It goes with so many different paper collections. The Cherry Sweet collection from Prima Marketing, and there's also a Michael's Valentine's Day paper collection from this year that came out late, so I wasn't able to work on any Valentine's projects for all the paper that I bought from them, so I guess I could do a lot of that for this release. And here we have a really cool cherry shaker memorydexc. So we have a shaker as well as a memorydexc. It'll look great for your collection, for your memorydexc. You can put it on the one that scrolls, that machine with the memorydexc cards, or you can have it standing, have something 3D printed so you can place it on your desk and look at it. And also I just thought they have this really cool face on it that you can add onto your cherry, and it's just super adorable, and it has all these layering stitched pieces on it. And next up we have these words. These words are called the Cherry Sentiments, and they're I love the font. It's this font style of it. And the cherry sentiments are cherry on, cherry amour, your cherry cute, the cherry on top, cherries, and cherry sweet. And here we have a heart banner bag topper. So just like really loving this heart banner bag topper. It has the word with love on it, and as well as this banner that is also outlined. We have some stitching for the heart, and just really beautiful bag topper. And here we have a Heart award ribbon. I always wanted something like a award ribbon, but this one is like shaped like a heart, which is like really neat. And it says, I think it says Cupid. Cupid, and we have cutest. Cutest Cupid. I think that's pretty cute saying. Yeah, and it comes with the lace border around it, which is really cool. We have double layered, you know, the bottom part of the ribbon. And let's see. Oh, yes, and you can make this into a shaker as well, as you can see here, this heart. So I thought that was pretty cool award ribbon shaker that is heart-shaped. And next up we have these rosettes. These rosettes are really neat. We have 3 sizes and they're called scalloped heart rosettes. There's a very large one here. Then we have a medium size and a small sized heart rosette. And it just looks so cool. Can't wait to make this. And you have the middle piece and then the outer edge that is scalloped. So you could make it into a 2-toned piece of rosette here. This is in the middle of the heart rosette. So it's really awesome. Can't wait to add and decorate with these rosettes. And next up we have these Valentine sentiment strips, and it includes the cutting die as well as the stamp, and it's really cool. It has some like hearts stamped out here, the cutting dies, and the sayings are: you make my heart smile, forever my favorite, love you more, happy Valentine's Day, you're my happy place, my ride or die, always and forever, Valentine's treat, you and me, hugs and kisses, stupid Cupid, and happy heart day. So I just thought this was like super awesome. And it has, I think you can just stamp it all at once and cut it all at once. So there's like 3, 6, 9, 12 sayings. You can do it all at one time. And I believe these circles are just to align everything together. Like there's like, yeah, you can align this. How clever is that? I think that's pretty clever. All right, so I guess they're like layering pieces. You have the bottom piece and then you have the top layering pieces with the hole, so you can see through the bottom and you can make them into different colors. So I just thought this was super awesome. Nice banners. And next up we have this one here, and this one is called the cherry bows cutting die, and also super adorable, these ones. It has a little shine sparkle on the cherry, which I thought was like really neat. And there's 2 sizes you can choose from. You can choose the smaller size and then there's the larger size. I can't wait to work on this. And the leaf, there's detailing on it as well, the veins on the leaf. So I'm just like really loving this collection, this release. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next one is called the, this one is called the Heart Lock Memorydexx. Here we have another Memorydexx, and this one is shaped like a heart and it has a keyhole here. And I'm just like so amazed with this. You can make it into a shaker too. Yeah, you could. So can't wait to make this as well. Can't wait to make all of them. All right, so now we have this one here. This one is called the Gumball Gift Box. It's a little tiny gumball machine. And so I think you could add one of those kind of globes for those ornament globes that you can add, but I'm not really quite sure which size it would be. It would be probably a really small sized one. And yeah, and you can make a gumball machine out of it, and and gift this, and I think it's pretty cute, this little gumball machine. All right, now we're moving on to this one. This one is called the Cute Heart Bows. There's I believe there's 2 sizes, and they're both included. Or there's like oh no, there's like 4 different sizes here. Yeah, so 4 different sizes, and so it's really nice to have like all these 4 different sizes in one set, and it makes a little bow, and sort of like it's sort of heart shaped on one side and the other side. It's like geometric heart shaped. So yeah, this is really nice to add onto your projects. And let's move on to the next die set. The next die set here is called the Prim Heart Pocket. So I think this is pretty cool pocket. It's like a elongated heart pocket. And you could put like many different, you could put like a small card in there, a Valentine's card. You could put little treats in there, little notes and memos and photos maybe. Yeah, I think this is cool. You could even make it into a banner maybe. And let's move on to the next one. I think this is super adorable, this one. This one is called the Candy Bar Purse. Isn't this so adorable? It's like 3D candy bar, and you can add your own handle. And the handle could be beaded as well. So we'll see how this goes. And I'm thinking maybe you can even put like a tiny pencil maybe. Maybe. We'll have to see. Like a tiny pen or something like that. I'm just seeing what we can do with this box. Yeah. So in addition to a candy bar, you could put like a small pen, or you can put beads in there. You can put like little chocolates inside. Yeah, and this purse is really adorable. And let's move on to this one. This one is called the Perfume Gift Box. This perfume gift box is really 3D looking. And so I think this is pretty cool. It has some label here for the perfume, and maybe a heart label or a little scalloped oval label here. And it's shaped like a perfume bottle with a little topper at the top of the perfume bottle. And it's really interesting looking. A little nice cute perfume bottle that is square at the bottom, and then the lid of the bottle is kind of like rectangular kind of. So yeah, I can't wait to make that. And we're gonna move on to this one here. This one is called the Romantic Doily. This Romantic Doily has 3 sizes all included. So there's a large, medium, and small, and look at the details here. They're so pretty here. These doilies are really wonderful. And finally, we have this one. This one is called the, let's see what this one is called. The Cherry Mini Album. And you can also make this into a shaker as well. And I'm just amazed with this Cherry Mini Album. I'm like, it's so big, this cherry, and I love the ribbon. It's big too, and you can put photos in your mini album, and you can layer the bow and the cherries, and you can make the cherries into a shaker. So I think this is super adorable. So that's it for the KSCRAFT December 2025 release, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!